Welcome back everyone, my name is Uncle Muscles and today I'm going to show you how to do the single arm cable row. Now I've already done a video on the single arm dumbbell row which you can check it out and see, but this is very similar to it. We're just using cables or the cable machine for this one. So the single arm cable row works your lats, your rhomboids as well as various other back muscles. So let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you need a cable machine obviously. This is the cable row, the cable machine set. You want a slightly moderate weight, but note, for me, I find it easier to use heavier weights using the cable machine because I have more balance and I can pull more weight using the cable machine than using the dumbbells, where you have to balance yourself and it's somewhat difficult using heavier weights with the single arm dumbbell rows. But with the cable machine, you can use the heavier weights and still get the same effect, if not more, than using the dumbbells. So let me show you how it's done. So I have the cable, it's set. Instead of putting it up here, I put it down. So I'm taking a step back so I can get a full range of motion and enable a deep stretch. Then my torso is up, and you can see straight, trying to maintain the straight position even when I'm leaning forward or facing downwards. I'm still chest out position. You can see a deep stretch. Then supinowary cage down again. As you can see, it's very similar to the dumbbell rows. The only difference is I'm using the cable machine. Down, full, stretch, full range of motion. Engage the lats. Then to your lower rib cage. Down. This is it. For the purpose of this video, I'm just using 5K just to demonstrate, but you can go as heavy as you want if you are familiar with the workouts and familiar with the cable machine. But it's advisable to start with a lesser weight, get the form correctly before you progress to use heavier weights. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do turn on your post notification so you get a buzzer whenever we make a post. Thank you for watching. Till next time.